Hey VTubers, curious how this bolt toggle is made? It's pretty obvious what to do, but you want to know anyway. Hey, basically what you do is add the back hair and the front hair as a warp deformer, any other hair. You can get creative as you like. So yeah, since the toggleable parameter, you put a minimum of 1, default 01, maximum 01. Name it bolt toggle or whatever you like. For some reason, safe side I like put it as a blend shape, but that's your choice in mine. Next, you add both bold hair and background hair, as I named it. Put it as parameter 1. You set both the opacity to 0. Then for this, you put the fill. You can either push it up, as down, as far as you like, or as little as you like. Finally, you open VTube Studio, click on the clapper, click Expression Editor, you click Create New Expression. I've already done it in advance, as you can see. You search filter for bold, toggle, whatever you named it. Set the parameter to 1, hit save. Then you go on to create new hotkeys for unused expression. In this case will be bold, whatever you named it, and you click OK. Then you punch in whatever key you want. There you have it. Now you have a fully working bold toggle.